So Aman, one of the very critical verticals for us also is that we are the OEMs for a lot of home appliances brands, right? So tell us more about that.
So I'll tell you this for the appliances. Presently, we are doing air coolers for clients like Bajaj, Inver, Voltage. So presently, we have an annual capacity of doing more than 350,000 air coolers. And apart from this, I'll just quickly take you through the products that we've done in the past, such as air conditioners for Hitachi, HCL, Haier, and then water purifiers, irons. So these are the products that we've done in the past, and now we have. I'll just quickly take you to what kind of work we are doing for the air coolers. So as you can see here, we have this is the front grill assembly of an air cooler. This is the base tank. This is for almost 115 liters volume, and this is a complete finished product presently, which we are doing from Bajaj. This is one of the SKUs, and we are doing more than 15 SKUs at the moment for Bajaj.
Super. Thank you so much.